My dear children, welcome to the business studies class. In this third module, we are going to study the important functions of a wholesaler. Let me ask one question. What is meant by wholesale trade, or who is a wholesaler? The wholesale trade means buying and selling of goods and services in large quantities for the purpose of resale or intermediate use. The important functions of a wholesaler are assembling, grading, buying, dispersing, transporting, warehousing, packaging, financing, risk bearing, market information, collecting various market information, and selling and promoting. Now we are going to study these topics in detail. The first point is assembling and buying. A wholesaler purchases different varieties of goods from several widely scattered manufacturers. He anticipates the need of retailers and buys goods in advance of demand. He collects the goods from different producers and assembles them at one place. Some wholesalers also import goods from foreign countries. The second point is dispersing. A wholesaler breaks the bulk by dividing goods into small and convenient lots to be sold to the retailers scattered all over the country. He sells the goods in small lots to retailers according to their choice and keeps them supplied with different varieties of goods. Many wholesalers send their salesmen to take orders from the retailers. Next, the third point is transporting. A wholesaler provides facilities for the transportation of goods from the producers to his own godown. Sometimes he also sends goods to the retailers in far-flung areas. He serves the coast through bulk transportation of goods. Some wholesalers maintain their own vehicles to ensure quicker and better delivery of goods to retailers. The next point is warehousing. Wholesalers keep a large stock of goods for retailers. They ensure that the goods are available to retailers at all times. Retailers can replenish their stock from time to time by purchasing their goods from wholesaler. The wholesaler helps to stabilize the prices by adjusting supply according to the needs of the customers. Many wholesalers maintain their own warehouses for storing the goods, thereby reducing inventory cost and risk of producers and retailers. Grading and packaging are the important functions of a wholesaler. Many wholesalers sort out the goods according to the size, shape, quality, etc. They break the goods into small lots, repack them, and put their own labels or brand names. In this way, they perform the functions of packaging, branding, and grading. By grading and standardization, they ensure the supply of uniform quality of the retailers. The next important function of the wholesaler is financing. Finance is the lifeblood of every business unit. Wholesalers provide finance to both manufacturers and retailers. They often buy the goods from wholesalers on cash basis and even make advance payments. The wholesalers generally sell the goods to retailers on credit. Risk bearing is the another important function of the wholesaler. A wholesaler serves as a stock absorber. He bears the risk of the changes in demand and damage to goods during the storage due to spoilage, theft, etc. He also bears the risk of bad debts by granting credit to the retailers. A wholesaler faces many risks or faces many problems by buying and storing the goods in bulk. Collecting various market information is the another important function of the wholesaler. A wholesaler foresees the market conditions. He collects the information from retailers about the changes in taste, fashions, buying habits of the consumers and pass necessary information to the manufacturers. Some wholesalers also conduct market surveys. On the basis of this vast knowledge of the goods produced by the different manufacturers, the wholesaler advises the retailers about the goods which will best satisfy the needs of the customer. The last important function of the wholesaler is selling and promoting. The wholesalers employ a sales force to persuade retailers to display and sell their products. They promote the company's products. Selling and promoting, market collecting various market information, risk bearing, financing, warehousing, packaging and branding, transportation, dispersing, buying and assembling. These are the important functions of wholesaler. Thank you.